An article in the Business Standard says that 2.5 million weddings can take place between November 2022 and end of April 2023. That's almost 13,812 weddings per day. So one thing over here is pretty clear. India is back to celebrating weddings with a huge bang. However, due to this phenomenon, there can be potentially 5 themes or sectors that can stand to benefit out of these 25 lakh weddings. So which are those interesting themes? Let's find out in this video. First, airlines and trains. A lot of these weddings will entail guests who are located outstation to travel to the destination where the weddings are held either by air or by train. In fact, interestingly, most of India's listed airlines are either trading in and around their 52-week lows or below it. A large number of these weddings can not only take in destinations which is across India but in nearby countries too. So this is something that we should make note in our thematic discussion around weddings. Second, hotels. These guests who are going to travel either by air or by rail will need some form of accommodation. Hotel rooms in cities and destination wedding hotspots might see a higher occupancy level. Most of the listed hotel shares have outperformed the broader indices this year and has given returns somewhere in the range of 38 to 90%. So now the larger question to answer over here is there more room left in the hotel space for the upside? The wedding season can be the deciding factor. Before we move on to the other 3 themes, and so far if you are liking this discussion, then do consider subscribing the Kotak Cherry channel for more such regular content around investing and personal finance. Now let us move on to the third theme of this discussion, which is around jewelry. Ask yourself, what is an Indian wedding without some bling? Expect tons of gold to be bought and listed jewelers in India could get a nice boost. But research your stocks well before biting this bullet. If you believe in gold story and like it, ETFs might be another option. Now let us discuss the fourth theme, which is around apparels and footwear. The bride and the groom in the whole event are expected to be all decked up in fancy outfits along with their families. Also, if you happen to be lucky to be invited to several weddings this season, then you yourself will consider going for mix of either traditional wear, western outfits along with complementing footwear to go with it for all these occasions. Interestingly, so far in 2022, traditional apparel wear has done well. Our fifth theme in the discussion is going to be in and around makeup and cosmetics. Everyone wants to look their best around the wedding season, and obviously there will be a lot of money that will be spent on buying makeups, perfumes, cosmetics and other related stuff. One theme over here that can see some activity is FMCG, which deals in these segments. In this discussion, let me also give special mention to drone companies, rental companies and alcohol companies that can see an uptick in their revenues in this wedding season. However, if you are someone who is not completely comfortable in direct equity investing, mutual fund provides another option. But how to exactly go about selecting them? So here is one video on that which you should absolutely not miss.